Hello, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are views my channel for the first time, make sure you do like and subscribe. I will be making a quick video about fixing the phone camera, which says the camera is not opening or the camera is being used by another app. So let's dive into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to your find or locate your setting app icon, wrong press it, tap on the app information, find storage and cache, clear cache, and then clear storage. Once done that, go wrong press it again, app information, go to for stop. It will take you back to the home menu. Once you have done that, locate your camera app, the one that came with the phone, wrong press it, find storage and cache. Here for the camera, you will clear cache first. Okay, don't clear storage first, clear cache first. Once you clear cache, then clear storage. It will not wipe your photos or pictures. Go back to home, then go to your settings, your phone settings. Go to my phone, then scroll down where you have build number, press it like 7 times. Mine is already pressed, so no need, you are already a developer. When you press that, you enable the developer option. So you go to you scroll down to the settings where you find your system, then you go to the developer options. Okay, once we are here, you locate something called system quick you locate something called quick settings developer tiles, this one, and then you turn off the sensor. If the sensor is on, make sure you turn it off. And if you can't find the sensor, you can quickly, depending on the phone you are using, you can come here, search something like sensor. I don't know if it has failed to search, but it is found in the developer options. Okay, so once you have done that, once you have disabled the sensor off, you come to the system and you don't reset your phone. Okay, you go to the reset phone, but don't reset your phone. You reset this something called calibration parameters. So once you reset it, the phone will automatically restart itself, okay, after 5 seconds. Once you have done that, reset app preferences and you are good to go. The video is over. Make sure you like, subscribe and share and comment down if it worked. Peace.